We can also express our wishes regarding future using I wish. For example, Frank's wife speaks a lot. Frank doesn't like it. He says, Marta, I wish you would stop speaking so much, okay? What have we got here? We have would. After I wish, yes, would, just would, and it means a wish regarding future. Frank wishes his wife would stop speaking so much in the future. Let's see another example. The phone is ringing. Kevin is too tired to answer it. He wants someone else to answer it, but no one will because he lives alone. He thinks, I wish somebody else lived here. I wish somebody else would answer the phone. We have two wishes. One, I wish someone else lived here, is the wish regarding present. He wants somebody else to live here too. He wishes somebody else lived here with him. And the second wish, I wish somebody would answer the phone, is a wish regarding future, nearest future. He wishes somebody would stand up and go answer the phone. One more example. Harry is on his way home. He's very hungry for lasagna. He hopes his wife will cook lasagna, but he doesn't know exactly if she will. He thinks, I wish Margaret would cook lasagna tonight. He wishes his wife Margaret would cook lasagna tonight. Would after I wish indicates a wish regarding future. He wants something to happen in the future. He wants his wife to cook lasagna in the future tonight. He wishes his wife would cook lasagna tonight. That's it for now. See you in the next episode. Stay tuned.